Need to rename your Life360 circle? Here's how you can update it in seconds. First, open Life360 app on your device. Now go to settings and tap on your circle name at the top. Select circle management, then tap edit circle name. Now just type your new circle name, hit save, and you have rebranded your group name. Only circle admins have permission to change the name, so if you don't see the option, ask the admin to change it. If the new name is not updating, try restarting the app. Already changed your circle name? Drop a new name in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.